Hi, I'm going to talk to you today about your sources, the source list, the things that you use to learn about your topic. So, your sources are probably in a variety of different conditions right now, which is understandable. So, you have all of your sources in Noodle Tools, or you have some of your sources in Noodle Tools, or you have none of your sources in Noodle Tools. So, I'm going to help you with that right now. So in Noodle Tools, I have created my own Noodle Tools, and you can see I've been learning how to make sourdough bread, and I've used three different sources. One is The Cooking of Joy, which is a blog that I've been following. One is a cookbook, Tartine Bread. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right. And then Smoke Signals, which is a website, and I've been following her, and she's been helping me also. So I am going to, this is you can see in Noodle Tools, you have these tabs across the top, and you'll find this when you log into your Noodle Tools under Sources. You've probably already seen it if you're using Noodle Tools. So you'll go to your sources list, and then you'll see here where it says print or export. You will export. I would actually like for you just to export it to Word. You'll create a Word document, which you can change the name of. Let's just say, um, let's see, Emerson's Sources for Genius Hour. And then I'm going to find my 2019 folder. You'll find your 2019, 2020 folder. You'll find your science folder, and you can put it in there. So let's say I'm going to put this in here. Save. And now I've got this beautiful Word document with my sources listed as soon as this opens. And it's thinking. All right. Now, these are all, so these are my three sources, Works Cited, and you can leave that title or you can change it to sources, however you'd like to title that. If you have more to add, all you got to do is type them in, blah, 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 blah. Let's say I also went to a website, I can just add the URL. If you don't have anything in Noodle Tools, just create a Word document and start your own list. And I don't need anything fancy, the name of the book, who it's by, or the URL of a website and the name of the website. That would be awesome. So we're going to be really simple and low stress on this, but that's how you download that information out of Noodle Tools. And then you can create this on a Word document. When you're ready to put this into your slide, all you have to do is copy and paste it into your slide. And that is easy peasy.